Welcome to our in-depth guide on Scrum Artifacts. In this video, we will explore the essential elements that keep Scrum teams organized and efficient. So let's get started. Friend, Scrum, a popular Agile framework, uses specific artifacts to ensure transparency, inspection, and adaptation. The three primary artifacts in Scrum are the Product Backlog, the Sprint Backlog, and the Increment. So let's deep dive into each one. First, let's talk about the Product Backlog. The Product Backlog is a dynamic and a prioritized list of everything that might be needed in the product. It includes features, functions, requirements, enhancements, and fixes. Each item in the product backlog is called a product backlog item or PBI. These items are ordered by priority with the most valuable and urgent items at the top. Product owner is responsible for the product backlog. This includes defining items, setting priorities, and ensuring the backlog is transparent and accessible to everyone on the team. The product backlog is not static, it is continuously refined, a process known as backlog refinement or grooming. During these sessions, the team reviews and updates the backlog, ensuring that items are detailed appropriately and priorities are adjusted as needed. Refinement helps keep the backlog relevant and actionable, preparing items for future sprints. Next, we have the Sprint Backlog. The Sprint Backlog is a subset of the Product Backlog. It contains items that the team commits to completing during the current sprint. During sprint planning, the team selects items from the Product Backlog to work on, breaking them down into smaller tasks and estimating the efforts required. The Sprint Backlog evolves during the sprint. Tasks move across the board from to do to in progress and finally to done as the team progress. Every day the team holds a daily scrum to inspect progress and adjust the sprint backlog as necessary. This ensures everyone stays aligned and can address any obstacle promptly. Finally, we have the increment. The increment is the sum of all the product backlog items completed during a sprint and the value of the increments of all previous sprints. An increment is a concrete step toward the product goal. Each increment must be usable and meet the Scrum team's definition of done, which is shared understanding of what it means for work to be complete. The definition of done ensures that all increments are of high quality and ready for release. It includes criteria such as passing tests, meeting acceptance criteria, and being fully integrated with previous work. So, to keep recap, the key Scrum artifacts are the product backlog, sprint backlog, and increment. These artifacts provide structure and transparency, helping team deliver valuable products incrementally. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into Scrum and Agile methodologies. Happy Scrumming!